Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Maths Hub. So we're gonna be solving this problem right there on the screen. But just before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Turn on the notification icon so that you always get a personalized notification each time we upload new content. Okay, and of course, if you're also watching us on Facebook, make sure you also follow our page right there. Okay, so having said that, we're gonna proceed right into this video. And now let's just begin to do some simplifications right here. You know that we can actually write this x raised to the power 4 as x raised to the power 2, and then let's put this power 2 also, and we can also write this 16 as 4 raised to the power 2. I actually do this so that I can actually have these expressions in perfect squares. Okay, so you can see right here I've got this, and of course it is still equal to 0. So you can see I've already got this thing in this expression right here as a squared minus b squared, and of course we know this expansion to be equal to a plus b and then multiply by a minus b. So once I've gotten this in this format, and of course I can express it in this way, and I can also proceed to solve right there. Okay, so moving on, I am going to expand this. So if I do that, I will have that this is x squared, okay, plus 4, and of course multiply by x squared minus 4, and it is equal to 0. Okay, now if you watch this term here, I can also write this 4 here as 2 raised to power 2, and if I do that, what I'm going to be having is s power 2 plus 4, and then into bracket x power 2 minus 2 power 2, and it is also equal to 0. So I can also use this same rule right here to expand this x squared minus 2 squared. Okay, and of course if I do that, what I'm going to be having is x squared plus 4 into x plus 2 and then x minus 2, and it is equal to 0. So clearly from here, using the zero product rule, you can actually see that x plus, coming from here, x minus 2 is actually equal to 0, or x plus, that is this one, 2 is also equal to 0, or x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So these are the three cases we've got right here, and we're gonna be taking them one after the other. And for this one, obviously you can see that our x is equal to 2, or for this case we actually see here that our x is equal to minus 2, and then for this one our x squared plus 4 is equal to 0, which actually implies that x squared is equal to, if I take this 4 right here to the right hand side, I'm going to be having that x squared is equal to minus 4. Okay, so to get our x right here, I'm just be taking the square root of both sides right here. So of course I'm going to be having that this is x squared, the square root of x squared is equal to the square root of minus 4, and of course this is plus or minus right here. Okay, so these two can actually cancel this, and then I'm left with x is equal to plus or minus the square root of minus 4. Okay, now we can actually rewrite this minus 4 here, so I can write this as plus or minus the square root of minus 1 and then multiplied by 4 right here. Okay, and then of course I can also write this to be plus or minus. I can split this is root minus 1, okay, multiply by root 4 right there, and then obviously I'm putting this in bracket. Okay, this is plus or minus, this one is actually I, and then multiply by the square root of 4 is actually 2, and obviously we are seeing from here that this is plus or minus 2i. Okay, now we are getting two values for x right here, which of course the first one is that our x is equal to positive 2i, or our x is equal to negative 2i. So putting all the values of x together, we can get the four values of x as: number one, our x1 here is equal to positive 2. Okay, our x2 is equal to negative 2. Our x3 is equal to positive 2i, and then our x4 will be equal to negative 2i. So these are all the values of x that makes that equation to hold. So this is how you can actually solve this kind of problem. Okay, so and of course, if you have enjoyed the video, ensure you give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.